Hello and welcome back to Tutoring with Gavin. This series of video tutorials are specifically aimed at students who are revising the transactional or non-fiction writing section of the exam. In this video, I'll be looking at the persuasive letter, providing you with 5 top tips on how to get a grade 9 in your English language exam. Tip 1. The task is often linked to the sources you have read in section A. If you highlight important ideas on these texts, you can use them to help you plan your letter. Before you begin planning, write down who you are writing this letter to and think about how this affects the register and the tone of the letter. Secondly, write down whether your letter wants your audience to change their behaviour, to take action, or to change their ideas. It could be all three, but make sure you are focused on this as your task. Thirdly, write down a list of persuasive literary devices. Here are some you might use: comparison, repetition, reasons why, evidence, facts, statistics, undermining possible objections, anecdotes, power of three, hyperbole, superlative, rhetorical questions, and emotive language. You can use this as a checklist to tick off as you go along. Then quickly brainstorm all of the points you can think of to persuade your target audience. Ask yourself, what will convince my reader to change or act differently on this issue? Tip 2. Plan your answers for 5 minutes using bullet points. Each exam board gives you different lengths of time to complete the letter. If you have 30 minutes, perhaps your structure might be opening paragraph, point 1, point 2, point 3, closing paragraph. However, if you have 45 minutes, you might have 4 points, and if you have an hour, perhaps 5. The important thing is to pick your strongest points from the brainstorming process, finishing with your strongest points because that will be the last thing the reader remembers. Tip 3. If you don't know their name, start with either Dear Sir, Dear Madam, or Dear Miss. Your opening paragraph should introduce yourself, informing them of the issue or the problem that needs solving, and then explain why you are writing to them and what you would like them to do. Tip 4. The main body. Each paragraph should state clearly the persuasive point you are making, with reasons why. For example, limiting all children to 20 hours screen time each week is crucial for their well-being. Firstly, because they will find more time to socialise face-to-face with others of their own age and with adults. Secondly, they will become used to the idea that everything should be in moderation and that limits and boundaries are a normal way of developing as an adult. Thirdly, they will have more time to enjoy a variety of activities and therefore make them more interesting and rounded as people later in life. Tip 5. The closing paragraph and sign off. Be clear what you're asking of your reader. Try to remind them why this is in their interest as well as in the interest of others. Summarise your main points and tell them that you hope to be hearing from them soon. Sign off with yours sincerely if you have addressed them by name, or yours faithfully if you did not know their name at the start of the letter. Well, I hope this has helped. If you would like more tutorials to help you get a great grade, be sure to subscribe to this channel and give us the thumbs up if you like the video. Also, visit my Facebook page for more free resources on this and other aspects of the GCSE language and literature exams. Until next time.